missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it, I cannot ignore it, yeah. Missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it, I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you're
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast.
I'm trying to mess in the back, but my ride's outside, so I'm rushing. But yeah, I didn't even fix my hair. I just put on a headband, and this I got on these shorts I got from my girlfriend, and then this bra I got from, I don't know, jean jacket from Shein. I'm finna put on my Yeezy zebra. So
I'm sorry. Just give me 1 second.
wait, what are you getting?
You want a tall brand?
I also get caramel and curls. So I get that.
If you want it. If you like the pink, then get the pink.
I do like caramel and curls too. I forgot to get that. Okay, just pick between them two. I'm indecisive, so you just pick.
And then for those fries, want to do a grande?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Can I get a birthday cake pop?
Okay, we're at Starbucks.
But my cousin. Good day.
Okay. Well, we had this in a minute.
First stop of the day.
Starbucks. Now we had this in a minute. The crunch is the best part.
Can you hold it?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I feel like I need to sit right there. Never said I need to clean my car out.
The Celsius, I'm gonna save for the picnic.
What is that like?
It's an energy drink, but I just drink it for the flavor, honestly. I don't drink it for
Energy
energy.
drinks are scary. That day, man, I went in the bath, so I kept going to the
Yeah.
bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna pass out. I was sitting on the floor.
Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause Jesus turns water into wine. Yeah, I'm finna do my lashes. I don't know, cause all my fucking friends use my lashes, so we finna see what we do. Okay, yeah, I'm finna do my lashes.
Do you like recording?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all after my lashes. I'm gonna watch this video. Hi, y'all. I'm back inside and I put my scarf on. This lighting is so good, but
I had a ring light over there too.
yes, this light is so good. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try my cake pop now.
Wait for me to try my
Lemon cake, right there. Yeah. Okay, I don't even remember what lash map I used on this side. I think I was at a 12, so I think I'm gonna go down to 11s and then 9s.
The lemon loaf, y'all.
This
I don't
is
like the ice in them.
Birthday cake pop.
You know what I imagined when we did that?
What I imagined was
sound effect.
what I imagined was big. Okay, y'all. I just finished my lashes. I need my eyebrows done so bad.
I have eyebrow rings.
No, I'm too scared.
I've been doing
Cause I get waxed too. I think that's why
I stopped
my
doing-
waxes be hurting so bad. Cause I be.
I stopped doing waxes because the wax was breaking my skin out.
Not this top.
Where's my phone?
Okay, y'all. This is what I'm wearing. The bottoms right here. The top.
Be with my friends, but that's really been about it. I just been working a lot for real.
Me too. Oh, I got a car. Oh shit. I got a car. So that was really the goal this summer, honestly.
And you complete your goal, you still got the summer left.
Right. I need a new goal. But now I plan on getting in the gym.
There's content.
Right.
Me too.
Content in the gym.
And then,
School come back.
yes.
And then graduate in December. Get accepted into.
Okay, I think I put too many up.
On which side?
Look.
On that side. This
It
side
was
is
a yes
good.
or no question, but
Oh. Rich, that's good. But nobody told you. Babe. No. It's not ready. No fucking way.
you gotta make sure you get some back.
This is me already. This bathing suit is from Shein. Bottoms from
Should I just
Bay.
wear these?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What am I doing?
Show them what you look.
Okay, hair done by me. Lashes, Beauty Supply Store. Bathing suit, Shein. Pants, I got these from my sister. And then, it don't match, but that's not the point. You're in my business. Let's not do that. I took these from my aunt. Because I don't really got no summer shoes. Like, I be realizing when I be getting dressed to go places, I don't have nothing. Well, I do have these. I feel like these will look better. Or this just look country.
They match better.
They match better? Oh, they do match. In a way. I don't know. I just don't like this color. And I didn't buy it.
Okay. Oh, we already have something in common. Love Chipotle. Okay, y'all. We finna go, but this is what I'm wearing. This shirt with these shorts. This skirt. And I'm wearing my thumbs, but you know we're gonna put in the water, so. Oh, y'all wanna say hi to my vlog?
Oh, hola.
Okay, y'all.
She said,
We met-
hola, ¿cómo estás? She said, konnichiwa. Why? That's all I know.
What? Okay. We're at Chipotle, and she got Chick-fil-A. Yep. Like a lame.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, yeah. What did you get in your burrito?
Burrito? What did I get? I got white rice, steak, light beans, steak.
What beans did you get? Black.
I got black beans, steak, corn, tomatoes, light lettuce, cheese. What you get in yours?
White rice. White rice, chicken, chicken
That's
out.
what I'm saying.
White rice, chicken al pastor, red salsa, shredded cheese, lettuce. These on the side. What'd you get?
I got steak, white rice, black
Ew.
beans, corn, anyways, double queso, and some lettuce and sour cream and good stuff.
What you got? You over there munching?
I got a spicy chicken sandwich. I got a spicy chicken sandwich with no pickles, with ranch and Polynesian, some lemonade, and fries.
Okay, we finna grub. How are you starting your bowl from the middle?
I mixed mine first. All of it.
Oh no!
It's too much going on to be mixing.
I seen somebody put the top on it.
Mix up.
can find us wherever. Ducking all types of weather. In space looking for better.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. 8. 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah! We did it! No, y'all don't understand. For 10 minutes straight, we could not get that shit.
No, she.
No.
I'm gonna start it off, and then it's gonna go this way. You gonna go last.
Okay.
You and then you and then I'm gonna go first.
That was the cue.
Okay.
That was the cue.
I look so good in the classroom.
I look so sexy in the classroom. Oh, get him out the classroom. Get the fuck out the classroom.
It's like that's the vibe. Okay, I'll start over.
I be getting hella rich in the classroom.
I look like a bitch in the classroom.
Yo. Kick him out the classroom.
Alright, go.
She looks like a witch in the classroom. I might bring a stick in the classroom. Hit your bitch with the twitch in the classroom.
We come through with a switch in the classroom.
With a blick in the classroom. Finna hit this nick in the classroom. Ooh, finna hit a spliff in the classroom. In the classroom. I might put your bitch in the classroom. My mind. Oh shit. Damn. Kick me out the classroom. Oh fuck. Kick me out the classroom. That was your turn.
Okay, y'all, we made it. It's so pretty here. Hey, y'all. No, I'm playing. It's so nice. Okay, y'all, we can walk down this little thing. Y'all, why is it so slippery? If you're not swimming, you really don't need to be in here. But I'm gonna do anything for the pictures. Anything for the pictures, bro. Okay, y'all, we made it to the waterfall after 1,000 fucking falls. Look at that, she looks so cute. Okay, you want to take a picture first?
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we do be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all depends. They can't ride the foot. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depends. They can't.
Hi guys, so I haven't talked to y'all in a few days, but it's Wednesday, and right now I'm headed to the gym with my friend. I'm headed to the gym. Don't mind my hair because after the gym I'm gonna get my hair done, so not too much, but yeah, right now I'm just headed to the gym. I'm gonna get legs in. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna eat before or after the gym, but I do know I need to get some gas. So I don't know which one we're gonna be doing, but I forgot I had this on my face. It's okay. It's because I popped a pimple. Say hi.
I look a mess.
Girl, I look a mess.
Yo, it just got me in the most ugliest.
Are you gonna say hi? Anyways, we're at the gym. And
Hey, come on, you lollygagging and shit.
I'm scared, bruh. Okay. So we're gonna walk in, and I'm actually really scared. Because I hate the gym. I should have brought some sweatpants.
It's claiming I don't work out in shorts. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, I have sports bra this too. I'm taking it out. But yeah. Okay, y'all, we're in City Trends right now because when I walked to the gym, they basically said I couldn't wear them. My phone runners,
So we in City Trends. Look, tell her to buy these. I mean, I'm gonna buy her these.
no.
Or these, y'all. They look tough as fuck. They look
They
like
got
an
the same thing
off-brand.
in black.
Get a pop-out color or
No, it's not about
exotic
style.
color. Yes, the fuck it
It's
is.
about going to the
They're
gym.
tough.
Can you
The
lock
pop
your
out
hand?
in these.
Oh, hell no.
Pride month.
It's not even pregnant.
Every day Pride month. I mean, every month Pride month, bro. What are you saying? For real. Okay, you look, get the cream ones. At least. They look tough.
No, they're not even fully cream. You don't see that on the back?
They don't make me mad right now.
You don't make me mad.
Get some Converse. People work out in Converse, no dead ass.
Okay, people work out in these, and these are comfortable.
No shit.
Okay, guys.
Boom, bro.
No, bro. Okay. Can you please lock in?
My bad.
Wait. How fast? How fast are you? We're going the same way. Okay, well, I'll walk. How fast? Okay, tell me how fast you go. Oh. Why is mine not speeding up? I think mine's broke.
No, it's not. Press the green one.
Green?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey y'all, we just finished the 6 minutes. She finished before me. But it's okay, because I ran the whole 6 minutes. Period.
What you trying to say?
What? You ran the whole 6 minutes too.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying, what I'm trying to say is, you finished before me, but I don't care because I ran the whole thing. But yeah. So let's do a pre-gym. Like 3 months, we're gonna come back and look at this. Okay. She said that I need to get my leg to be muscular. And I'm gonna get a BBL. And I'm gonna get abs. So. Show them yours. She trying to show off. Please. Alright, go. Turn around. Turn around.
Wait, I gotta do it. I gotta do it in the whole.
We're trying to unleash our back, guys. And this is day 1 of it.
Okay. So I can get a what's the name? In my
Cass?
yeah. Wait, how do you flex it after that? My leg's too numb right now. I can't do it.
From running or from yesterday? But yeah, my legs, I just got thick. So yeah.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess stop doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. Who you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me la bata. Biggie man, we do the way I bata. Tell me, what's it gon' you are gon' all depend. They catch it, ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' you are gon' all depend. They catch it, ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get to another way. Plenty, survive with.
Okay, y'all. So I haven't talked to y'all today, but it's 4th of July, and we all just got ready. We're gonna go to a nice party, so today's gonna be the best day of the vlog. And so first, my hat, Bass Pro Shops here, then my book, Ethica set, shorts from Shein, then yo,
Where your jacket?
also sir.
Okay. I'm from Shein. Bag, I don't know. Kicks.
Wait, you didn't even do your jersey.
Hey y'all,
Oh.
so this shirt is from my cousin and I. These pants are from Shein. The shirt from Shein. This bag is,
Forever 21.
I don't know what she said.
Forever 21.
Forever 21. And then this hat is from my mom. She gave it to me, so.
Okay, Coco, come on.
Hold on, here I come.
Come on. Outfit from Shein.
Shoes.
Jordans.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show you
All right,
my
Nelly,
shoes.
you next.
And from Kids Foot Locker.
I don't know. I got Nike. Oh, Shein. City Trends. Necklaces from my mother and Pandora.
Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Shirt, official tissue from Gucci. You know what I mean? Pants. Ethica. Hold on. I ain't paying none of this. Socks, fashion. That's it. All right, go, Granny.
Guys, say where your clothes are from.
I don't know.
Can we redo it?
All right. Fit of the day. All right, Duty, come on. Okay, I made it to my cousin's house.
Yeah, for your own purpose.
Wait, you didn't even wait for them.
Shanice told me to drink it.
That was the triple.
She ready, don't she?
I mean,
Cousin always ready. I love her.
Come on, ready.
Hey, y'all didn't chance me.
We celebrating 14 years in Georgia today.
Yeah, you right with me.
How y'all doing? It's Lil 5 in this bit, man. It Lil 5 in this bit. It Lil 5. We're going. I'm saying. How y'all doing? It's Lil 5 in this bit. You know what I mean?
L5?
Alright. No, Lil 5.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fucking a real bitch. Little nigga send a bliss. I got 10 up on my gram. Little nigga cop the wrist. I got 40 on my pocket. Little, you better cop the shit. Little nigga wanted to play. We all around. You know we shot him. The niggas wanted to play. I shot him down. You know we got him. What the fuck is doing that? Yo!
What happened?
He said he thought I was shooting. Yo, I'm ready to eat this cookie.
You got
What are we listening to?
Oh my god.
Well, I want to hear.
You know Emory? You heard me? Let me tell you, he was out. Y'all heard me? I thought I making that cheap.
Ready? Watch out, Coco. Alright, come on.
Oh, yeah, I'm next. Oh, yeah, I'm next. I'm next.
Fly ready?
At two. Back. Now walk off. Alright, go, Imani. Go. Walk off. Okay, y'all, we made it to the party.
The line is already lining.
Okay, come on, say hey.
The line is lined.
Y'all need to say hey to my vlog.
Hey guys.
We made it. The line long as fuck already. Serenity, say hey to my vlog. Say hey, Shamaria. Say hey to my vlog.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh, they put up black truck.
That's Shannon, bitch ass.
Shannon! Oh, shit!
I want to be in your vlog for real now since my shit. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Where to find shit at? For the fine shit on my
Okay, y'all, we in line. Y'all want to say hi to my vlog? We met some people in line. Yeah, we met people in line. It's hot. It's 9:01. They still haven't let us in. Like, what's going on? Down.
But I let a bitch eat me out.
One bitch in that team.
I don't want never again.
You better bring your ass out this fucking place. Mariah, you too. Cause your mama looking for you right now. Everybody shut up so I can hear.
Your ass fried. I ain't lying. She finna put your ass in that pan and fry that ass tonight, baby. I'm from Memphis, man. I get silly.
Stick without you. My stomach do this turning off to stick without you. And it was all for you. It was all for you. Lay your head on my pillow. Tell your friends you ain't coming out tonight. What he say? I'm the time on the street. You want me to go street? You want me to go on the street? You want me to take a way? I'm just, she don't call it. She got bad hair. You got an LAR locking off his challenge.
Alright, cool beans. Where my best friend? Oh, okay. Thank you, bitch. She right there. Let me see. Oh, that's dumb right there. Yeah, that is dumb. Oh shit. No jump. Oh shit. No jump, no jump. No jumping. Yeah, bitch.